Piazza means square, the heart of every Italian town, where life happens. Fontana, a fountain, you'll find one in almost every piazza in Italy. Gelato, Italian ice cream, creamier, colder, happier. Café, the Italian fuel, short, strong, and never to go. Vespa, Italy's favorite scooter, a symbol of freedom and style. Treno, train, the best way to cross Italy with your eyes wide open. Mare means sea, blue, infinite, and full of stories. Sole, the sun, the real secret behind every Italian smile. Finestra, window, the perfect frame for Italian life. Porta, door. In Italy, every door has a story, and most are older than you. Strada, street, the veins of every Italian city, alive with voices and dreams. Casa, home, not just a place, but a feeling, warm, noisy, full of love. Tavolo, table, where Italians talk, laugh, argue, and share life itself. Pane, bread, simple, sacred, and always on the table. Vino, wine, a conversation in liquid form full of tradition and joy. Colosseo, the Colosseum, ancient, proud, and still echoing with history. Campanile, bell tower. It reminds every town that time itself has music. Chiesa, church, not just for prayer, but for art, peace, and quiet light. Giardino, garden, green, peaceful, and always a little wild. Luna, moon, soft, romantic, and forever watching Italy from above. Montagna, mountain, silent, strong, and full of ancient air. Fiume, river. It carries the stories of villages from past to present. Fiore, flower. Every Italian balcony has one, usually more than one. Cielo, sky, changing every minute, yet always beautifully Italian. Libro, book, the quiet heart of every Italian home. Amico, friend. In Italy, you don't find friends, you make them family. Tempo, time. Italians never chase it, we dance with it.
Grazie for watching. Hit subscribe and keep learning Italian the smart way totally, right here on Italianissimo. A presto, ciao!